Hi everyone, in this video we'll see that how we can change the unit of a Revit project. For example, suppose we have started our Revit project as metric template and we are working in metric units like meter, kilometer, those kind of things, and now client needs the units will be in inches and feet and those kind of things. What you can do in the middle of the project, there are two situations. What you can do is that firstly you can recreate your project into imperial units like feet and inches, and you can in that scenario you have to redo your work. Or there's one more thing that you can do is that you can save your work in metric units and you can change that project units within the project itself into imperial units. How you can do that thing in Revit? That's very simple. Suppose, for example, right now I'm working in metric template. As you can see, sorry, this is already covered, so let me change the units or redo the things. I guess that's fine now. Let me cross check. Yeah, that's fine. So for example, as you've seen right now, the units are showing in metric units. As you can see, it's 1 to 100 scale, 1 to 50, 25, those kind of things is right there. And also, if I'll draw a duct as well, the length is it's also showing in okay, but you want to show all those kind of things into feet and inches as well. There are a couple of things that you should change into units. How you can do that thing? Simply you just press UN command, and this kind of pop-up will be there when you will press UN command. Okay, so there are common units which are used for each and every service, whether you are from architectural background, whether you are from structural background, whether you are from mechanical, electrical, plumbing, whatever your service is. These are the common things that you can use while working in any units, whether it is imperial units, whether it is metric units. For example, right now I'm changing the length into feet and inches, so I'm going with feet and fractional inches. I can change the rounding figure from right there as well, but I'm not going with that one. This is a separate thing. Also, for example, you are from HVAC guy and your client needs airflow rate into cubic feet per minute maybe, so I'll go with that one, CFM that we call it. We can change the unit symbol as well, that it should be shown in cubic feet per minute or CFM, like that. So I'm going with CFM. And decimal rounding also you can change from right there as well. I'm not going with that as of now. Okay, so I changed the what we can say flow rate of HVAC thing as well. We can do, there are a couple of options are right there as well. For energy, for electrical, you can see that we can change for piping as well, for structural as well. We can change the units whatever we want, whatever our client wants. Actually, the thing is like that. Okay, so change the airflow rate in CFM, and I have changed the length of length unit as well into inches, feet and inches. If I click on OK, let it revise the units, and then we'll see the difference. Now the scale is in 100 because that was my metric project, but if I'll click on that one, all the units will be in feet and inches. Okay, the scales are right there. If I'll create a duct, that we changed the length as well, you can see the length is now showing in feet and inches. If I click on that one, so it will be showing me the length in feet and inches as well. If I'll go and the property as well for the flow rate, now you can see the flow rate is also showing in CFM. So those kind of things we can change within the project itself. We do not need to recreate the project into different units. So that's all guys for this video. Thanks for watching this one, and let's meet in my next video.